Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm a student and a software engineer. Let's answer some questions from the internet together. @DevJ asks, what's the deal with screen share on Blackbox AI? It's one of the most useful features I've seen. You open the tool, share your screen, and just talk. That's it. Blackbox sees what you're working on, code, documents, design tools, and responds like it's a teammate who's already in sync. @JessTheGrad asks, can it help with schoolwork? Absolutely. Say you're stuck on a calculus problem. Just ask. Blackbox will see the equation on your screen and walk you through it step by step. No typing, no uploading, just instant help right where you are. @TooltipsNightmare asks, what's the real benefit? You stop wasting time switching between tabs, copying errors, or explaining context. It sees what you see, so help feels natural and fast. If you ever wished your AI could just look at your screen, well, now it can. Thanks to Blackbox AI. Thank you for watching AI Support.